back at it again with my alpha texture assignment. Let's turn this on. Okay. So hopefully you can see this. My new objects that I've textured are my two palm trees, the tall palm tree and the bottle palm, and these tiles, which, oh, I actually moved the decal. Okay, so you can't really see my decals. Where'd it go? Yeah, here's the decal. This was supposed to be down here on the tile. Oops. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 5 decals. There's 2 cracks. And there's 2 types of tracks, the left foot and the right foot. And there's this dirt right here, showing dirt covering the tile and the stone. You can't notice the cracks very far away. You have to come close to the object to notice it. It's to show a little bit of wear on the crystal. I could have put more of these cracks on here, but I am limited on time. For the vegetation, I created my my palm trees. The tall palm tree with a different leaf. And my bottle palm tree with a different leaf. Also, pardon the background noise. I'm not alone upstairs. Yeah, I wanted to add something that would make my scene a little mysterious, so I added these tracks of a beast, some type of monster. For the original concept, I had wanted my complex centerpiece to be a statue of a beast with a crystal hide as a guardian of an oasis, but I don't know how to create water, so I decided to not mess with that. But yeah, I wanted my complex centerpiece to be a statue of a beast of some sort. A crystal beast. But yeah, these are the decals I've created. I'll show them in Photoshop. I'm just allowing you to see the scene more. I like the palm trees the way they came out to look like. They're not actually that bad. The only problem I had with the palm trees is that, once again, you can't see the texture on the other side. Although you can quite, see it a bit right there. I'm not sure how to mirror or make it two-sided, the texture. So that's something I'd have to learn on my own a little more. But I'd say that's the only problem I had with the assignment, was making my textures two-sided, the alpha textures. And another problem was making my smaller decals visible. Oh, I moved it. I forgot. My crack, if I zoom in. You can see it once you get up close to the tile. Same for the cracks on the crystal. Just that one crack. I feel like I could just duplicate this and move it a little more, or make it, or make it just try to connect to the crack that's there. But yeah, that's my scene, my new objects, my tiles, and the trees. Both trees, I believe, are made with the similar texture. I messed with the brightness of the texture with this one. You can see the mistakes of this texture here. Is this the original one? Yeah. Let's see. UV editing. I tried my best to straighten out my this shell here. It would not want to straighten out like this one here. And it was just very wonky. See? I'd rather not mess with it anymore. And I'd rather get feedback in class about that. But yeah, that's my scene. I'm gonna save it once more since I had changed it. Alright, so my Photoshop stuff. Let me just switch over. Alright, that should have worked. Now, this is the decal for the first crack, the one you saw on the tile. And then here is the second crack for the one on the crystal. This is all I did to create the alpha mask since I was having trouble with converting it into a targa. I had to work with it as a PNG. Here's the dirt and my tracks. To show the way I made my tracks appear on here. Actually, let's just start with the leaves first. Oops, that's a copy. Let me just clone it. I simply attribute editor. I put the PNG here in color. And I messed with the exposure to make it brighter in the scene. And then after that, I went to, plane shape, checked off opaque, and back to my shader. I went to geometry and clicked the icon that was here. Changed the opacity to the file of the alpha, the black and white photo. And to get rid of the black in the render, I had to go to my viewport and change the transparency algorithm to alpha cut. And that's how it displays my leaf. I believe it would have been easier if I was able to use targas, but Photoshop was not allowing me to save my files as targas, so PNG was the way to go. So that's my assignment. I can showcase my thing a bit more.